Hi there, Pear Plant Girl here. I have been tagged, I guess, in a video challenge through PG Nano Farm. And the challenge is, if you could get one thing done in the snap of the fingers, what would it be? So it's been pretty cold here, so I've been waiting for a break in the weather, and we have another storm front moving in. So I'm going to try and get this done here while the snow moves in and show you what I came up with. So my immediate first thought was to have that pool removed and a greenhouse put in. It's a dream of mine. I don't know if it'll happen this year or next year or ever, but oh, it would be so nice to have something instead of that ugly pool sitting there. It doesn't get used near as much as I thought it would, so I'd love to see it gone. But then I thought, no, once I have the money, that's something I can easily do on my own. It just takes some muscle. So that's not it. So then I thought, along the fence here, the neighbors used to have some very large willows, gave us some nice privacy, and they've lost their willows and they're starting over again. So I'd like to plant a few evergreens or trees in there. And I have to admit, I'm not a good tree shopper. I get intimidated and I get put off by the prices, and I'm just not good at it, hence the lack of trees in my yard. But I thought, no, that's just me being lazy and cheap, so I can do that on my own easily. Something I have been trying to get done for several years now, and I keep getting promises of it happening and it doesn't happen, is electricity. This outlet is the only source of electricity I have for my entire backyard. So I have been asking to have electricity run out near the pool instead of having a giant yellow electrical cord run out there. I would really like to have something permanent put out that way. And I would like to have an outlet over here on the corner of my patio, where I usually have a small fountain and mosquito trap, Dynatrap I think it's called, that runs there. Well, it actually goes down further away from the seating area, but runs off there. So if I could have electricity over here, that would be amazing. So that would be my snap of the fingers wish project. If I could have one thing done at the snap of the fingers, it would be electricity run out into my yard in a safe manner, so that I'm not worried about water getting into the cords, tripping over the cords, and just having to look at the cords. So that would be my wish. So maybe this year's the year, I don't know, but I'm still waiting, and I would love for it to happen. That's my wish, PG Nano Farm. I would love to hear what a few other channels would do if they could get something done with the snap of their fingers. So Ronald Shaw, what would you do? If you could get one project done in the snap of your fingers, what would you do? What we do, what would you do? One project. And north of 49 gardening, I'd love to hear what your little project would be, or big project, I guess. If you could have one thing done with the snap of the fingers, what would it be? If you want to participate in this, I'd love to see your answers. And as always, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and the thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would do, or if you see something else maybe that you think I should have chosen. But that's my choice for now, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.